In front of me is OUKITEL WP36, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen. Begin by launching one of your apps in the background, and then a second one. When you finished, access background apps and decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then click on the icon of it, select Split Top and tap on the second one. If you wish to exit this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!